Are they mutually exclusive or overlapping? Can it be even and bigger than 10? Yes. So overlapping means I've got to do the first plus the second minus the both. So even. How many even numbers I got in my chart? Y'all should know that automatically. 18. How many numbers are in the chart? 36. Half of them are going to be even, half are going to be odd. So 18 over 36 there, plus number greater than 10. How many numbers are greater than 10?
1, 3, 2,
3. The 2 11s and the 12. Minus how many are even and greater than 10? It's just the 1. Go to the second one. Odd. What's that? 18. Or a number less than 6. Number less than 6, how many of them? 10. Minus how many are odd and less than 6?
3, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, a number greater than 8.
10. 10 over 36. 10 over 36.
All right. 10. All right. Or an even, well, we know that's 18. Then how many are greater than 8 and even?
4 out of 36.
You got the 3 10s right here and then the 12. Line up with 2/3. All right. See if we remember this last one. A 5 on 1 die. Nah, we're supposed to remember that, y'all. It's 11 because we're taking out that one and count twice. So there's 11 out of 36 there. Even, I know that's 18. Minus, how many have a 5 and are even? Well, if we go back here, there's 1, there's 1, there's 1, there's 1, and there's 1. So that's a total of 5.
Is that an even number or even sum? Isn't that different? Is it an even number compared to an even sum?
All right, these to me should be a little bit easier because all the numbers are there for you to look at. You really don't have to do any searching for anything.
True.
First thing, is it mutually exclusive or overlapping? Can you be female and from Florida at the same time?
Yeah.
Yes. So then that means overlapping. So I find the first thing. How many female people are there in this group?
21.
Out of 31 total. There's 21 females, 31 total people.
How many females are in Florida?
Then go people from Florida. Well, people from Florida comes back up here. They give me the 12 out of 31. All right. Then I go to female and from Florida at the same time. So then that goes up here to my 8. Put those in, you got your answer. Should be 25. All right, I think we can do the rest of those. All right, if I look at this second one, again, the first thing you got to check, is it mutually exclusive or overlapping? A person from Georgia or Florida, can you be from Georgia and Florida at the same time? No, so that means mutually exclusive, which means I'm going to do the Georgia part, which is 10 out of 31, plus the Florida part, which is 12 out of 31.
Which you get 22 out of 31.
You're done. There is no subtraction on it.
So you just don't subtract.
You don't do the subtraction. You first plus the second. All right. Male or a person from Georgia.
You can't. That's
You can be male and from Georgia. So that's overlapping.
So
Male
10
is
out of 31,
10 out of 31.
and then Georgia is 10 out of 31.
All right. minus how many are male and from
That's
Georgia?
3 out of 31. So that'll be 17 out of 31.
17.
All right. Alabama or female?
People from Alabama is 5 out of 31.
So that you can be from Alabama and be female, so that's overlapping. So a person from Alabama was 9 out of 31. Female was 21 out of 31. Minus
6 out of 31.
Alabama and female at the same time would be the 6.
And that'll get 24 over 31.
All right,
You got to have that. Right there.
picking a 7 or an 8, mutually exclusive or overlapping? Mutually exclusive. You can't pick a 7 and 8 at the same time. 4 over 52, 4 over 52, 8 over 52 simplifies 2 over 13. A queen or a red. That's overlapping. Queen is 4 out of 52. Red, 26 out of 52. Minus queen and red
2 out of
is 2 out of 52. So that winds up being 28. 7 over 13. A club or less than 4. Mutually exclusive or overlapping?
overlapping.
So club is
13 over
13
52.
plus
12 over 52.
there's 12 that are less than
Minus
4. Minus the 3 that are clubs and less than 4. So 20 plus 11. 22 over 52, 11 over 26. A number less than 5 or 9. Mutually exclusive or overlapping? Mutually exclusive. You can't be less than 5 and be a 9 at the same time. So less than 5 would be 16 out of 52 plus 4 out of 52. And that's it. 20 out of 52. 5 out of 13. An odd or a black.
You can pick at the same time.
That can be at the same time. So odd is 20 out of 52. Plus black card would be 26 out of 52. How many odd that are also black are in there? 10 out of 52. So that is 36. 9 out of 13. A red card or a face card. Can they be red and face card at the same time? So that's overlapping. Red is 26 out of 52. Face card is 12 out of 52. Minus, how many red face cards are there? So 32 out of 52. 8 out of 13. All right. For this one, we got female or math. Can it be both?
Yes.
So that means I've got to do the overlapping. Female, there's 34 out of the 94 total. Math,
36.
36.
36 out of the 94 total. Minus
12.
12 that are female and math,
58 over 90.
which simplifies to 29.
over 47.
All right. Science or male, overlapping or mutually exclusive?
Overlapping.
So science would be the 38 out of 94. Male
60.
minus,
23.
23.
so I would say
75.
75 out of 94, and that's it.
Yeah.
English or science? Mutually exclusive. So I just do the English first, which
Then you add
is
up-
20,
Then you add the science.
plus the science, which is 38. 58 out of 94, which is the 29 over 47 again.
Yeah.
Male or
Yes,
English,
It can work.
that's overlapping.
Yeah.
So male would be
60 over 94.
plus English
20 over 94.
minus
13.
13 over 94 equals that.
doesn't simplify, so we're done.